Here, there is a question. What is the force between two small charged spheres having charge of 2 into 10 power minus 7 coulombs and 3 into 10 power minus 7 coulombs placed 30 centimeters apart in air? So in this question, the given data Q1 is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 coulombs and Q2 is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 7 coulombs. The distance between these two charged particles R is equal to 30 centimeters. That is equal to 0.30 meters. Now, according to Coulomb's law, force F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. As you know that 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value 9 into 10 power 9 into what is Q1 value? 2 into 10 power minus 7 into 3 into 10 power minus 7 by R square, which means 0.3 whole square. So that is equal to, you can multiple that 9 into 2 into 3, then all 10 powers. 10 power minus 7, 10 power minus 7, 10 power minus 14. So 10 power 9 into 10 power minus 14 by 0.3 whole square. So 0.09. So once if you do that, after simplification, you will get that 6 into 10 power minus 3 newtons. Yes? We will wait in that next question. Thank you.